All right, you're seeing a map right now. This is Biblical Geography, Lecture 15. We're going to have maps like this, at least one or two of them, so we can study and think about this. So this is water. This bluish stuff is water. Okay, this is the Euphrates River. So these are rivers. Tigris River, Iran, modern day Iraq, Saudi Arabia. This is all land. The white's land. Gets a little sketchy up on the edges, so don't go by that too much. All right, and then so our rivers we need to know, and I just have 3 on here, so it's not too complicated. Well, 4 actually. Tigris River and Euphrates. What river do you think's in here? This is Israel right here. The Jordan River. See where it flows into? The Red Sea. And then you have the Nile. The Nile coming in Egypt. It says Egypt here. Okay, so the big countries are Saudi Arabia nowadays. It wasn't that back then, but Egypt, Jordan nowadays is in here, Syria up here, Iraq in this area, Iran, like that, and much easier to go. Let's move them right down here to Gaza. Okay, this is the Mediterranean Sea. Learn how to spell Mediterranean because I had trouble with it. This little island's called Cyprus. I don't really care if you know the Black Sea or Caspian Sea. But right here, Mount Ararat is suspected to be the Ararat Mountains. Okay, and then this is the Arabian Sea coming up to the Gulf of Aden, A-D-A-N. Right here is a canal called the Suez Canal. Red Sea, 2 little arms coming up. We studied that before. Sinai Peninsula is this little section in here. There's a wilderness here called the Wilderness of Zin, Z-I-N. There's our friend Alexandria, Egypt, we talked about. What river is this? Nile. There's 2 cities, Memphis and On, O-N. I'm going to mention everything on this map. You don't have to know it all now, but probably most of it for our test. On the back, I don't have it now, but we'll have Israel. And we'll study that too some other time. So we got some cities. You can't read this. That's okay. Just kind of know in order how it goes for this map at least. Beirut, Lebanon, way up here. This is Sidon and Tyre, or some say Tyre, but Sidon and Tyre, Joppa, and Ashdod. So Sidon, Tyre, Joppa, Ashdod. Your other maps you have that I handed out probably have all this on there. I haven't double checked it, but I think they do. The Gaza Strip is right here. The Israel map will be much bigger for you to understand that. Okay, so we got the Jordan River going into the Red Sea. Then what is this?
I hate to call anything into question, but the Dead Sea has no outlet. The Jordan River flows into the Dead Sea.
Okay, so the river doesn't keep going? I'll have to double check that. Because on one map I looked at, it kept going. See if it goes on this one. No. Oh, it's upside down. Yeah, it doesn't go. So, I'll have to white out that. Thank you. Got too carried away. My 6-year-old was going, can I help color it too, Dad? She watched every little thing. She would ask him, what's that? What's that? And what's that? Why are you doing that? That's not supposed to be there. Okay, so I'll white that out if I remember, hopefully. So, Dead Sea. Sea of Galilee. This will be bigger blowing up on the back, but just for this. Sea of Galilee. Jordan River keeps going up there, doesn't it?
It starts up there somewhere.
And it is from mountains, okay? Just stops, starts. Now we got 3 regions called Ammon, Moab, and Edom. You need to know that in that order, near the Dead Sea. You've got Aram, another region. The city of Syria known as Damascus. Dan, about the farthest north city there is in modern-day Israel, or back then. Okay, not too much else, so relax. Quit like blowing a gear or something. Haran, this is probably the journey Abraham took, and there's Haran. This river is called Euphrates. This is the Tigris. Here's Nineveh.
Oh.
Right on the Tigris.
And he was going where when he got in the boat? He's coming up.
The opposite direction.
Wherever it was. And then we got Baghdad right here, And this is actually closer, the scale isn't right, but then there's Babylon right here. So Baghdad and Babylon are only like 30 miles apart, but there's no rivers here. This is land. Then there's Uruk and Ur the Chaldees, Ur. Here, right here is a little island called Bahrain. Here is Qatar. Qatar, and this is Kuwait, which is a little cut out here. And this is UAE, which stands for?
United Arab Emirates.
Persian Gulf. Alright, we covered about everything on there. I got a couple of mistakes, thank you. But that's an important one to clear up. So again, online students, you will be we'll be studying this every time. About another 4 or 5 weeks we'll have a test. You've got the study guide, just know those. This is just for class participation. Amen.